I just paid a UX designer $400,000 and fired the coders. Welcome to the real skill that get you filthy rich in tech. Not clickbait, just data. Imagine being trapped in a boardroom full of CEOs. The doors lock behind you and the lights go out. And instead of panic, I whisper, non-technical skills now out-earn coding. Insane? Totally. But you need to hear this, because by the end you'll realize coding may no longer be the top ticket to wealth. Right now, I'll drop the first shocker. At Google, product managers earn up to $280,000 a year, while staff software engineers top out around $323,000, and junior engineers earn up to $340,000 only in rare cases. And UX designers and business analysts are routinely making over $200,000 too. That's not rumor. Federal visa filings analyzed in July 2025 confirm it. So stay until the twist at the end. Comment wow if this surprises you. Stop waiting for me to explain. You're here because you want higher pay without slogging through code all day. I'll give you value fast. Product managers define products, align strategy, own vision. They influence every team. Engineers build code, PMs build outcomes. That difference translates directly into higher compensation for those who wield soft skills well. Comment below, what skill do you think can beat coding? Product management is just the beginning. Business analysts, UX designers, program managers, they all command high salaries without writing production code. At Google, UX designers can earn up to $230,000. Financial analysts or business systems analysts can make over $200,000. That salary range rivals many engineers, and that's pure base pay. If you've met someone in one of these roles, drop them in the comments. Let's see who's pulled ahead of engineers. Now feel the tension. Coding feels safe. It's logical, structured, comfortable. But soft skills, negotiation, leadership, empathy are messy, unpredictable, powerful. Those messy skills are fueling the greatest pay increases right now. A recent academic study shows AI is boosting demand for teamwork, digital literacy, resilience. Wages for these have spiked. Coding is increasingly replaceable by automation, but human skills? Irreplaceable. So tell me, which soft skill scares you most? Let's talk transition. You might love code, and I get that. But what if tomorrow AI tools reduce demand for coding? Your salary could stagnate or fall. Meanwhile, someone who negotiates roadmaps, sells vision, coordinates stakeholders, they flourish. That's where the premiums lie. That's the twist you don't see coming. Comment, would you pivot from coding if it meant earning more? People on Reddit confirm it. Folks talk about shifting into SOC analyst, IT project roles, or cloud architect paths. They say minimal scripting or coding and still surpass average engineer pay. One user wrote, look into cybersecurity roles like SOC analyst or penetration tester, minimal coding, excellent pay. That's real-world testimony. If you've seen that too, let me know in the comments. In many organizations, product managers actually out-earn developers. One report says engineers earn about 10 to 20% more than designers, but PMs earn roughly 10% more than engineers. That reflects the accountability and strategic influence they hold. It's not just flashy UX versus code dynamics, it's leadership value paying off. Have you seen this happen? Share below. Consider salary averages. Mid-level UX designers around $114,000 base. Senior roles $156,000 or more. And UX strategists break $130,000. That's before bonuses. On top of that, product managers, even entry-level, average around $108,000, with more senior PMs approaching $280,000 at elite firms. Meanwhile, senior engineers at the same firms max out in similar ranges, but include technical responsibilities. The point, soft skill roles command roughly equal compensation, often more. AI doesn't just replace coding. It increases how much companies pay for human-centric skills. A study shows demand for complementary, i.e. non-technical, skills rose sharply from 2018 to 2023. Wages for teamwork, critical thinking, resilience rose. Those are exactly the skills used in leadership, product, UX, and they come with premiums. You might argue, but Netflix pays engineers millions. True, but check this, Netflix product designers and product managers regularly earn in the mid-$200K to $300,000 range too. A product manager median $284,000, product designer median $316,000, and product strategy roles hit even higher. That's base pay, not counting equity. So again, soft skill roles rival or exceed technical ones. Here's the twist: engineers plateau. Soft skill experts scale. Senior product managers, UX strategists, IT project leads, they get stock grants, board exposure, team control. Engineers get code to review. PMs sell features, open possibilities. That strategic leverage is compensated. It's visible, rooted in data. Feel the tension? You've been coding. Maybe you're comfortable, but the world changed. The real jackpot isn't lines of code, it's influence over business. That commandable territory brings bigger rewards. Comment if you could trade one daily coding hour for 1 hour of stakeholder meetings, would you? By now, the message should be clear. Pairing coding with leadership, persuasion, empathy, data interpretation, that's the path to outsized pay. Not coding alone. You can still code, but leverage it with human skills. Those skills scale beyond salaries. The final build, your next move. Start investing in communication, negotiation, product sense, customer empathy. Build storytelling ability. Show measurable business impact. Then pivot slowly into product, UX, business analysis, project leadership. You'll be on the high road to 6 figures and beyond. Those who succeed in tech this year and beyond will not just write code. They will design experiences, lead teams, align strategy. Soft skills won't just pay as much, they'll pay more. So what are you waiting for? Let me know in the comments which skill you'll hone next, and I'll make more videos about how to pivot into these roles. Found this valuable? Watch our playlists for more practical, expert-level insights on digital transformation and leading your business into the next era of growth. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who needs a clearer strategy. Knowledge is power, and the more people who understand this, the more successful your organization will be. Simplify the tech, amplify the impact.